that day, I was live streaming and getting footage for this video at the same time.
It's here. Well, I've got to be gentle. It is supposed to be a 400 kilo magnet, so got to be gentle with the thing. I mean, I broke my last magnet, dropped it on the concrete. Let's see. Let's check it out. Got a pair of scissors here. I'm excited. Really excited. C190. I'm going to keep it in this packaging, drop proof, you know. This thing is beautiful. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah. The thing is strong. It weighs about 2.5 to 3 kilos. I'm definitely not dropping this. I would bring it in my phone, but it says keep this away from all electronic devices. You know that means it's strong. It's got this hook. I'm going to hang a rope through that. Got a Phillips head right there. This is powerful. Magnet fishing has been different. It will never be the same again. This was worth $40. It's magnetic. I mean, it's reflective. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna be a responsible person. Throw that away. And keep it in its box until I need it. Alright. So that is magnet. Now, I made the mistake last time of smashing my magnet. That was a disaster and a half. Take this bit off. Alright. You ready? Are you guys ready?
this. I just feel tension on this. Like, wow.